Well, at least we got out of here. Guys, I think I might be slipping off the hood. Yeah, oh my god. Don't fall off the cliff, you weirdo. I can't see. You're kind of blocking my... Oh my god. Still holding on. Don't do it. Holy crap. Well, these two are dead. All these guys are dead. Yeah, well, he's dead. Killed in the car crash. All these four, well, these three survived. Who's narrating this? I really don't not know. Of course, it's me. But I thought you were dead. Well, actually... Okay, now he's dead. Let's get